This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
How do you describe an operating system?
So operating system is the media between the application software versus the hardware. So it is actually the core, the software sub-software, means the lot of software, process, procedure, and that actually drive the physical hardware. At the same time, actually, it allows us to install the other additional software, example like the web server, app server, and any other the office application. They all we install, they all goes to the operating system. And operating system actually the help us what is called to drive all the physical hardware. So in general, operating system is a special software sub-software that allows the hardware to communicate. And on the other hand, operating system provide the existing the process procedure. On top of this, we can install all other any of the software, graphical software, the web server, app server, database server, programming language, anything we install, it all install on the top of the operating system.